In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default background color on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to expand underneath Default Image versus Default Grid. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right versus background color, go ahead and select whatever's inside of here. Choose your custom color that you're looking for, and then select OK to confirm, and then you would have to select OK again to confirm that once more, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.